This United Real Estate Infinity property video is presented by Mercysardinas. A spacious open floor plan with living, dining, breakfast area, and laundry room. Offering just over 1,300 square feet, this 3-bedroom, 2-bath home built in 2006 and with plenty of backyard space with ample room for a pool is sure to make a long-lasting impression. Tile in the main areas and laminate in the rooms. Large pad for a lanai area perfect for your outdoor fun. Schedule your private showing today. For more information, review the details below or contact Mercysardinas at 756-564-6055.